clean. So I'm going to show you what the clean looks like and then break it down. Here's one bell clean, single arm clean. To start out with the clean, it's a one arm swing to a gunslinger swing. One arm swing, gunslinger. From the gunslinger, you're going to do an uppercut. So it rolls right into the clean. Gunslinger, clean. Swing, gunslinger, clean. And clean proper. With two bells, looks the same. That's the clean.